Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas day 2. It's about 7:30. It's still dark outside. I'm so tired, but my son slept in a little bit today. Usually he wakes up at 6 on my days off, but he woke up at 7:30, so that's good. He's chowing on some Cheerios. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a coffee, and then we're gonna see what we want to crochet today. I don't have a ton of fun like Christmas stuff planned today, but I think I'm going to work on crocheting some Christmas gifts for people. And one fun thing we're doing tonight is I'm picking up my new car. I bought a new car a couple days ago because my car is just junk. It's like not, I don't feel safe driving it because it like is having transmission issues, I think. Or something, I don't know, it just keeps like jolting weird and feeling like it's gonna die, so I'm like, let's get rid of this. I've had it for like 7 years though, but it's like a 11-year-old car, and I kind of killed it because I used to drive an hour to and from work every day, so it has a lot of mileage. But I'm picking up a new car, which is exciting, and it's like the newest car I'm gonna ever own because it's literally a 2025. But it's used still, but we got a good deal, so I'm excited about that. It's gonna be nice and clean and fresh. We can decorate it and stuff with cute crochet things. But yeah, we're doing that later today, so that'll be fun. I mean, I don't know, sometimes buying a car is stressful, but yeah, I also have to call insurance later, so fun adult things, yay. But don't worry, we're gonna crochet for sure. So I'm gonna make some coffee first because I'm tired. I definitely have to go to the store later because I just used the last of my coffee creamer. My guy is Vlogmas ready in his little Christmas jammies. Hi. And he's eating Cheerios off the floor. You know, you do what you do. Well, I was going to start knitting, but somebody wants some breakfast, so I think we're going to make some pancakes, and then hopefully we can get knitting or crocheting or whatever. Alright, we got some pancake and some scrambled eggs going. Alright, so here's what we're working with this morning. We got some pancakes, eggs, and some raspberry yogurt. This might be a mess, but we'll see. Usually he devours the pancakes. He likes eggs sometimes. We'll see if he likes this. I don't think he's ever had it. He loves yogurt, but we've never tried raspberries yet, so we'll see how he likes that. I'm gonna wait for that to cool a little bit. And I'm making my pancakes. I knew he was gonna be a mess with this yogurt. I don't even know if he likes it. He just took a bite of it and was like gagging. But he loves his pancakes, has not touched the eggs yet at all. Oh, maybe? No, he wants the yogurt. Well, that's a, Alright guys, it is about 9:30 now. Breakfast is done, cleaned up. Little guy was rubbing his eyes, so I put him down for his morning nap. Now we can knit. So yeah, I want to make these ribbed knit hats, I think, for my nieces. I got some cute yarn, I think I'm gonna double strand like these two. Just like, I have this variegated like pink and green kind of thing, and then just like this pink. But yeah, I'm gonna double strand those and variegate them. This is also super pretty because it has like some sparkle in it, which is cute. This is the, I love this yarn. This is color Lilac Stardust, and this is just pink. So yeah, I'm going to double strand those, and I'm using the Chunky Knit Hat pattern by Passionate Goods. It will be linked down below. But yeah, I'm hoping this doesn't take forever. It seemed pretty easy. Since it's double stranded, it's kind of chunky, so it works out faster, I think. But also I don't knit very often, so we'll see how long this takes. But I want to make a hat for both my nieces, just matching hats for Christmas. I think that'll be cute. I'm going to use my son's head to test how big it should be, because the pattern is for like an adult size, so I have to figure out how to make it toddler sized. But my son and my one niece are like the same age, they're 5 months apart, and then my other niece is 4, but she's really small, so I feel like her head is probably smaller than my son's head, because my son is ginormous. But yeah, we're gonna make some hats. So yeah, I'll probably just make them both the same size, because I feel like their heads are very similar in size. But yeah, let's figure out how to do this. Alright, we're frogging because I think I messed something up, because I don't know why my like round connection is so screwed up. But I think I don't even know how to cast off. I think I cast it on too tight or something, because I have the right size needles and I have the right size circular needles, so I don't know. I think I messed up somehow. I think my tension was too... My tension was a little too tight, I think, when I cast it on, because I'm having a lot of trouble like getting it to fit on these circulars. So we're gonna try again if I can get this off of my needles. I don't knit clearly, but we're gonna try to cast on less tight, I guess, and see if that fixes our issue. Okay, let's try that again, because I clearly did something wrong. My tension was definitely a little too tight with the cast on, because this second try is working a lot better. There's still like a weird little gap like where I joined the round, but I'm hoping once I go around a few times that'll disappear. I don't know, it's been a while since I've worked knitting in the round. I made a scarf like forever ago that I never actually finished, but we'll see how it turns out when I do a couple rounds. But I definitely have lighter tension now. I definitely feel like knitting in the round is always the hardest for like the first round, when you're first casting on and stuff. And then I think, like, I'm on the second round now and I think it's working a little bit better. It's not as tight, and I feel like I joined it correctly this time. Hopefully. We'll see how it looks after we do a few more rounds, but I'm hoping this works up fast. But I don't actually know if it will, because I've never knit a hat before, so I mean, I would think that like with big knitting needles and double-stranded yarn that would work up pretty quickly, but we shall see. I'm also not making it that tall. I think I'm only gonna do like 10 inches because it's a baby hat. I also hope I did the circumference right and it's not gonna be too big, but we'll see. Alright guys, it is 11 o'clock now. Dude woke up from his nap. He's chugging some water. We made it like 2 rounds in our hat, so hopefully we can make some more progress here soon. Yeah, we're just hanging out with little dude. We're gonna be hanging out with him for a little bit, and I'll try to see how much I can crochet. I really hope this works up fast, but I'm so slow at knitting that I don't know if it's going to. I also want to start getting to like the colors in this yarn, because right now it's double stranding with just pink on pink, which I mean it's kind of glittery and it has like a little bit of blue without it, but I want to see what the pattern's gonna look like once we get to like the blues and greens in here. but the center pool is just pink right now, so that's what we're working with. So we'll see how this goes. We just finished up lunch. It's 12:30. Still not much progress on my hat, but oh my goodness. Anyway, homie's good. I gave him a bowl, but yeah, I had some chicken for lunch. I never know what to feed. Like, we're trying to figure out this whole food thing now that we're off of mainly milk, and I never know what to feed him for lunch. Like, breakfast is easy. Dinner, I usually just get him whatever we're making, but like, I can't just hand him a sandwich, you know. But I gave him a little bit of applesauce, some puffs, a few pieces of chicken, and I made like a homemade spinach and carrot puree thing. So I gave him that too, so we can get some vegetables in there. But it's just like a puree smorgasbord, I guess, but we'll figure it out. Hopefully once he gets some more teeth, he can eat like more normal foods. But yeah, I tried giving him pasta. Like, I made this chicken and broccoli, not chicken, I made this broccoli and cheese pasta, and he liked it when it was fresh, but he's not a fan of the leftovers. And then I tried making him some like just red sauce pasta last night, and he wasn't a fan of that either. I don't think he likes tomatoes, because anytime I've given him like ketchup, tomatoes, sauce, he like makes a weird face and doesn't like it, but we're figuring it out. Anyway, now that he's playing and relaxed, I'm gonna try to work on this hat. I thought I was gonna be able to finish this today, but who knows. I've got like 3 rows done in the last like 5 hours, but maybe I can crank some out once he goes to bed tonight and see how much we can get done on that. But yeah, it's 12:30. We're leaving at 3:30 to go pick up my car and then do some grocery shopping, so might not get a ton done this evening, but we will see. I'm gonna crochet now and stop yapping at you. I meant knitting. We're not crocheting, we're knitting. I'm just used to crochet, but this is a knit hat, so we're gonna go back to knitting. Alright, dudes went down for a little nap again because he was getting kind of crappy, so let's see how much we can get done on this hat while he sleeps. Hopefully we have like a good hour or so, but we shall see. I want to know when this pink's gonna run out because I want to get to some of the other colors in this yarn, but it looks cute. It has like a little bit of like sparkle in it, and this isn't like pure pink, it's like twisted with some white, so it adds like a nice little color variation to it, I feel like. So we're just gonna go ahead and knit. Hey guys, it's currently 2:30. This is how much of the hat I've got done. I have been bad and I actually wasn't knitting the last like hour. I've been editing yesterday's Vlogmas video to get up. So yeah. But while it's uploading, it's exporting right now, so while it's uploading I'm going to work on some knitting. My son's still napping, so that's good. I have about an hour till we leave to go pick up my new car, so let's knit. Okay guys, we got a little bit of progress done on our hat. I just measured it and it's about 3 inches. I think I'm going to either make it somewhere between 9 and 10. When I googled it, it said that like a toddler size hat is 6 inches tall, but I'm going to make like a brim. So I think we'll go maybe for 9 inches. her head's small, so we'll see. I'm already kind of afraid this might be too big around, but it is ribbed, so it kind of shrinks as it goes, but yeah. Anyway, it is about 3:30 though, so I'm going to put a pause on that because we have to go pick up my car, so I'm going to go get stuff ready, and then hopefully we can get out, and then maybe we'll work on this a little bit more tonight, but I'll see you guys when we have my car. Hey guys, so it's like 8 o'clock now. We got my car, we grocery shopped, and we got dinner, and it's so late now, but I'm tired, and we're gonna go relax on the couch for a little bit, watch some TV, and I'm gonna work on this hat some more, and I'll update you and let you guys know how much of this I get done this evening, but we shall see. I didn't expect all that to take so long, but I'm tired now, so we'll see if we get any more done tonight. Hey guys, so it's like 10:30 now. I got a little bit more of the hat done. We started with some of the other color, and it looks cool how it kind of just creates like a fun gradient. Let me see how big this is. So it's looking to be about like 4 inches right now, so we still have a little bit to go, which is fine because I realized in order to decrease this, I need double pointed knitting needles, which I don't have the right size. I need 8mm, and I don't have that, so I ordered some, and they should be here tomorrow, so hopefully we'll finish this hat tomorrow. It took longer than I thought, but I also didn't really work on it half the day. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye.